Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guy. Today we'll be talking about investments, particularly about CyBEX Group or the China Beijing Equity Exchange Group. So, CyBEX is an exchange group that provides investment opportunities through applications in various countries across the globe. One of which is Nigeria, where they currently face a problem or a threat. 4 days ago, Nigerians were not able to use the application, or the investment app has freezed them out of their accounts. Now, this is a problem mainly because they cannot withdraw their savings or their investments from CyBEX or from the application of CyBEX. Now, according here from first-hand witnesses and users, I was ready to withdraw all of my investment just last week, but my friend told me to be patient and wait, and now it has crashed. Now, from one issue to another, many people had now started to lose their accounts, and Cybex had um, responded to this by saying that there have been problems with hacking. That's why they froze the accounts, and that it will be resolved soon. Now, members of Cybex Group are supposed to receive at least 30% return on their investment in just 30 days. But up until today, they haven't received any response yet from Cybex. Now, Nigeria is calling out for urgent actions on this, telling that it is a Ponzi scheme. And mainly because over 1.3 Nigerian trillion over 1.3 Nigerian dollars or Nigerian 1.3 trillion Nigerian dollars were lost with the financial exposure or with a fraudulent cryptocurrency investment scheme known as CyBEX. Now, would we, as the team on Tech Help Guy, recommend investing on this? Definitely not. Mainly because there is this issue currently being faced. But then again, it's your decision. It is, however, we would flag it as a high risk investment, but if the app works for you, then definitely be cautious about it, because if this is being experienced right now, it might be a sign that there are problems within the company or within the Cybex group itself, and therefore it is a very, very high risk investment. And that's all for this video. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in this type of videos, please let us know in the comments below. At the same time, please do hit the follow and subscribe button so you won't miss out on any of our future videos only here on Tech Help Guy.